currently 2 a.m. Currently running on 0 hours of sleep. We are not in Brunei Hall, by the way. And soon we'll be starting our journey to Iceland. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Apa lagi?
Baju sepindik.
Ada. Aku rasa cukup buat sepindik ko. Got the bus. Now we're on our way to St. Pancras. Ba'an alladhi sakhara lana hadha wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Ang siya sa Barabas yo. I don't know why. It's been a long time since I traveled. It's been like 2 years ngam since we left.
Dibilang tadi ucapan
Sheesh. We've arrived at St. Pancras on time. If we missed this train, I don't think we would have made our flight, but we've made it on time. The effects of no sleep are starting to kick in, bro. Belum masuk kapal. On the bus. Flight's in like 2 hours. Mudahan sampat. We need to check in as well. We'll make it. Currently waiting at check-in to get our passports verified. Bro, I thought Brunei had the number 20th strongest passport in the world or something. Jangan kami miss flight pasal kedia. 1 hour left till gate closes. Alhamdulillah, we got through the document check. Hopefully it's smooth sailing from here. Got the meal deal. Empty royal. And I got the window seat. We've arrived at the land of ice. Oh wait, let us know tadi mas kulintas ah. Muy jauh. Apa ni? Kada tiba guys. Ada ice. Mudahan lapas yo. We have gone through the passport check, guys. They didn't even check my vaccine and my test. Bis duit. But alhamdulillah pass. Everything's all good now. Now time to get the car and drive. Oh no. Oh no. I'm guessing this is Iceland, guys. Okay, apparently there was another check. Tapi pass. Let's go. We are in Iceland now, officially. Now we're just waiting for the person to give us our rental car. Weather check. The cold is bearable for now, but there's no snow.
There's no ice.
Kena scam kami. Oh, mana ice.
Bro.
Oh, look at that sunrise. So driving, guys. Gila ni. It's a nice car though.
It's alright.
It's gonna be our whip for the next 3 days, yo. Gila lens ya. Titit. Linjit. Urus kini jalan dari tam saja ti.
Ini mendorong dia. Boleh tu right.
Just go right.
Lain yo. Pas belah kaki dia ni.
I mean, I'm not used to like normal driving anyway. So. Driver is on the wheel. How are you feeling? First time driving in Iceland?
Feeling more confident now. Only on highways.
Okay, first pit stop. IKEA. Jojo kemari IKEA aja. So isolated, like the big zero. I love this.
That sort of vibes.
Aku mau tinggal sini yo. Sajok boy. Breakfast with a view. Beli furniture lah. Itulah. Tupin untuk rumah dia. There she is. What a beauty. My turn to drive now.
A few moments later.
Aku kena Honda yo. After driving for like a while, we've arrived at Reykjavik city center. This is called the Hallgrímskirkja. I hope I pronounced that right. Kinda unique. Yo, Reykjavik is vibe, bro. So cool. We're on our way to see the mountain from the sea. Aku lupa video tapi tadi kami minum hot chocolate sana for like an hour. Berpanas. Ini mua orang sudah kami sama ada charger. Sama udah sejukan lagi. Guys, it's snowing guys.
That's no experience.
I went to the souvenir shop but nanti tah. Tunggu tah aku ada budget extra at the end of the. But look at the snow. You can still see the Hallgrímskirkja. Hallgrímskirkja. I think that's how you say it. Hallgrímskirkja. Plus we found nasi katak mama yo. If ada yang makan ke Iceland, ada Indomie. Ada Shin Ramyun.
Tapi
6 pound. Got the center of Reykjavik. Hey, look at this, bro. Not bad. Wait. Yo.
Sasi bakar bro.
Na na na. Na 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 na. Na na na. By the fire. Na 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 na. I'm tonight walking in a winter wonderland. Yo, I don't know what this is, but I think it's a frozen lake with snow on top. That's pretty cool, if you ask me. I wanna jump on it, but like, what if I like drown? It's a lake, isn't it? So if you jump on it, it's gonna break. It's like ice. It's like frozen over and then snow's on top, right? Sheesh, that's cool. Yo, it's actually a frozen lake, man. You can go ice skating on this. Please do not come at me. This guy literally almost fell into the lake. That'll be funny. This frozen lake is so cool, even though it's just white stuff. And it's just ice and snow. Underneath is water. I wanna see how it looks like normal days though. Jojok Iceland, makan pizza juga.
Kan? Kan pizza je.
Yeah, man. Reykjavik. Wait. It's the Grand Mosque of Iceland. It's a pretty nice mosque, man. It's pretty unique. Finally arrived at the hotel room after what has been a very long day. Got the bed. Got the TV. The Netflix on. Got a sofa bed, which could accommodate one more person. The bed can actually accommodate like 3 people. Stove, microwave, sink. Decent. Sabun is given. And the view is looking very nice. Instead of sleeping, I decided to walk around the area and see what's around the hotel. I'm not tired.